Good evening. Welcome to Wealth Mill Securities weekly market wrap. Finally, this week the market closed at a very positive way. You might be thinking, what is the reason for this positive up move in the market this week? Of course, it was volatile. Market was in the beginning of the week it was down, but by the end of the week it got picked up and closed in a positive way. The main reason what prompted the market to rise this week is the news that came from it is completely a domestic factor. United States and China, they are going to resume the trade talks and they are going to start the trade renegotiations again in the first week of October. That brought some stability in the global markets, and this event led the global markets to go up, and this event brought some stability in the entire global markets. But for India, obviously there is a hope rally that's going on in the markets. Last week we have observed in Indian markets the GDP growth rates came down to 5%, which is lowest in last 6 years. But there is a hope rally that's going on in the market. The hope is the hope from the government, anticipation of certain measures from the government, which are in terms of the reforms, in terms of the GST rate cuts. In anticipation of all these factors, market is going up in India. It's a clear-cut hope rally. We need to wait and watch. Today evening, just now at 9 o'clock, the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, she concluded her weekly briefing, weekly press conference. Market was anticipating some significant announcements from her press interaction, but there were no significant or there were no major announcements which are going to make any impact on the markets. Obviously, she categorically told for auto sector, markets are anticipating some amount of further GST rate cut. Markets are anticipating, but she told the GST rate cut decision are taken by the GST Council, and GST Council is going to meet in the coming days. So altogether, in the coming week, there are not immediate positive factors are not there. So market may remains in range bound. This is one thing we need to observe. And the market is going to led by the more of a external factors, less of the domestic factors. This thing we need to bifurcate. And my request to the investors always is, every day the market goes up and comes down, and market as an investor, we have always a good tendency to check always the prices. Today, my suggestion to the investors is, of course, checking the price is a good measure, but always check the market cap of your company. If your company where you invested is in the category of mid and small cap or a micro or a micro cap company, please check with the price, along with the price, please check the volume, because the volumes in mid and small cap stocks came down drastically. For example, I'll just analyze how does this works. For example, a company which have a market capitalization of 100 crores, and in a given day there are in some stocks the total volume, sometimes it's coming to less than 10,000, 5,000 quantity also. So the price discovery mechanism with this 5,000, 10,000 quantity, the price discovery is very I can say very obscure. It's not the real price discovery mechanism, because just the 5,000, 10,000 quantity of shares in some small cap stocks, even some few thousand shares are determining the daily stock prices. Sometimes stock comes down by 7-8% or 10%, but the total traded quantity in that particular stock is less than 5,000 shares, like that. So it is not the actual way of price discovery. For example, some investor may have some need and is selling and going out. Because of that reason, since there is no buying interest in these stocks, the price might be falling. So always, apart from checking the price, please start checking the volume of your particular stock. Especially if you are holding a mid and small cap stocks, please check the volume of the shares that are getting traded on daily basis. If the stock is coming down by big volumes, then there is a serious concern you can think. Otherwise, with the small quantity of stock that got traded on the exchanges, if they are bringing down the price, then it's not a major concern. If it's not the major, at the same point of time, in a vice versa, if small quantity of the stocks they are making the stock price to rise, then also you need to keep in mind that price is not going to sustain at a higher level. This is what I just want to inform to all our investors. Markets are in a range bound, and they are continue to be in range bound in the days to come also. But in this range bound, this is the time to accumulate the quality ones. This is the time to build your portfolio. Please think that in these range bound markets, try to accumulate the good companies, good stocks, build up the portfolio, and in a bull phase, that is the time to book profits. This is all from me. Signing off. Thank you.